If you want to set a photo as a wallpaper on iPhone 17, then we have two ways that allow us to do so. You can, for example, open the Photos app, choose the photo that you wish to set as a wallpaper, press this share button in the bottom left corner, and then you should be able to find use as wallpaper. And over here, as you can see, we can customize it for the lock screen. We can press add in the upper right corner. We can also customize the home screen wallpaper afterwards if you want to, or you can just press set as wallpaper pair in order to immediately set it up. In addition to that, what you can also do is you can open settings. In settings, scroll down and choose wallpaper, and over here we can press add new wallpaper at the bottom, or you can go all the way to the right side in order to press on this plus. Over here you can then choose photos, and once again we can choose the wallpaper that we wish to set. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here. There we go. We can press add in the upper right corner and then set as a wallpaper pair, or we can customize the home screen wallpaper if you want to. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.